Hey, Catherine Soren, how are you?
Hello, Benison Hansta. I'm
तब
good. How are you?
I'm also good.
I'm also very good.
कैसी हो तुम? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा गया आज का?
इतना फॉर्मल नहीं होना है, चलो
हम्म,
हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते हैं गाइस,
ओके ठीक है।
बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, बचपन से
हम्म,
जानते हैं।
कैथी को हम तब से जानते हैं जब से वो औत में जिकी होती थी।
और तो जिक्की नहीं होती थी, वह को हम तब से जानते हैं जब से भैया को डांट पड़ता था, सबसे छड़ी पड़ता था। ऐसे हमारे सीढ़ी में ना ऐसे रेलिंग है,
वहाँ वहाँ ये जिकी होती थी, वहाँ ये जिकी होती थी।
भैया ऐसे ऐसे फिसलते थे।
अरे तुम भी तो फिसलती थी,
हाँ,
हम अकेले
okay,
थोड़े
right.
फिसलते थी।
उस समय मैं छोटी थी, मैं नहीं फिसल सकती थी। 3
किससे?
year old.
3 year old, तो तुम औत में ये जिकी होती थी।
I had a walker. Wow, what an introduction.
हाँ, by the way, her name is Catherine S. Soren.
Yes.
Nuya nyutum do Catherine S. Soren kan taya.
Yes.
Nui do adi mo sirinya
I don't know about that, but okay.
ar nuya YouTube re video mina taya ukare nui adi moj mo siring kadai ar amle mem siring tisam eho lida.
I don't remember when exactly. Okay, fine.
Do
In atire in adi katin tahan kana, gidraging tahan kana, unjakhegi singing eho lida. जब से मेरा मेमोरी है, I can remember singing, like because I'm a Christian. I go to church every Sunday. So we worship God every Sunday. So I've been singing for the Lord ever since then.
And now what are you doing?
Even now I'm singing for the Lord.
Yeah, everybody knows.
Okay,
Because
sorry.
everybody has seen you in
Sing,
YouTube.
yeah.
So what actually are you doing right now? Means
So Nito do in college complete kidai. I am a graduate.
in?
I graduated BA psychology. I was
Okay.
supposed to get honors, but
So you are
NEP
psychologist?
scammed us. Not yet.
Oh, then?
Okay, but I did do psychology majors, and now I'm gonna do my masters
So
in
basically,
MSc
you
counseling.
can, if you are a psychologist, I mean, if you are studying to become a psychologist, then I'm sure you can read mind.
We don't read mind, guys.
Then?
We can't read minds. We just read your behavior. We learn about your behavior and the way you act. We
How
can
I'm
tell
acting right
some
now?
stuff. You're
Huh?
you're very fake right now. This is not how it is, but okay, screen में professional होना पड़ता है.
हाँ, सब बोल दो.
Shush.
अच्छा, so can you do therapy of mind?
अभी
हाँ?
ना, therapy is supposed to be confidential. आपको screen के सामने therapy चाहिए.
अच्छा.
I'm not a professional. मैंने college में ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं किया, but I
पढ़ाई नहीं की
passed.
तुम?
मैंने किया थोड़ा
हाँ.
बहुत, but
हाँ.
उतना नहीं जितना पढ़ना चाहिए. अभी
हाँ.
मैं पढ़ूंगी. So कॉलेज में मेरा साइकोलॉजी एज सब्जेक्ट था, काउंसलिंग नहीं था. तो फिर उसमें बहुत सारे डिफरेंट साइकोलॉजी फील्ड्स के बारे में आई स्टडीड. बट देन in my 6th semester I had, no, even in my 5th sem I guess, I had counseling as a subject, one of the papers. But I don't really know how to do proper therapy. But I know we also had practicals where we used to do this role play of a counseling session, as you heard earlier. Yeah, that's it. But I don't really know, like I can listen to you. Obviously I know how a counselor is supposed to be when he's dealing with his clients, but I am not a professional.
Okay, guys, if you are having any mental issue or any mental problem or any kind of stress in your life, or
Do not contact me.
you can
Do not.
you can surely contact her
No.
for your treatment of your mental treatment. Yeah, she's very good in it.
Oh my gosh.
She
No.
can motivate well, and she can also inspire people by her singing, by her hard work.
Thank you. Thank you. That's a compliment. But no, don't. Okay, by the way, it's unethical for me to counsel someone who I know.
Okay, so you
So I can't counsel people who I already know, or my relatives, or my relatives' friends,
so you
or
should
anyone related to me. Like,
so you should counsel
People who I don't know,
Okay.
strangers, absolute strangers.
Why is it like this?
So that we can be authentic, you know. Sometimes if I know, like sometimes if you know me, you won't be real to me, right? You would try
Okay.
to show your good self, like okay, I'm
Okay.
like this, I'm like that.
So
You
how
won't be.
so how you gonna get clients in future? I mean,
I will get clients in future. There are a lot of people that I don't know.
okay. So
Yeah.
how will
But
they get to know
I
you? How will they get to know that there is a Catherine Soren who is a counselor?
so I'm not planning to be a counselor, like general counselor. I want to work with kids or be a school counselor. So there
Okay.
I don't really have any rules. I can just talk to
Okay.
kids. I want to also do play therapies.
Oh, cool.
But we'll
That is
see.
nice.
Yeah.
So will you counsel my kids?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure. I mean, we'll see. Kids के साथ parents को भी counseling चाहिएगा actually. It's not
Acha.
just kids.
Now tell us, when did you start your first musical journey?
Okay, that was a very interesting story. So before going to Kerala, me and Bhaiya recorded a song. It's
In
called
mobile phone?
in mobile phone in his room. It's called "You Are My Strength."
No, it was Lekman Aman.
No, we did it in English.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did it in English. You Are My Strength, and then he was like, "Okay, I'll put it in my YouTube channel because that's where he used to put his stunt videos." Okay, he used to do stunt. He was very athletic back then. He put that video in that channel, and then we got good amount of views. Yeah, I mean back then it was a lot for us because we didn't know what exactly to do with that. हाँ, but वहाँ पे हम लोग और एक You Are My Strength का संथाली वर्जन अपलोड करना चाहते थे. It's
Yeah,
called
yeah.
Lekma Nama Gitu.
And then we decided, yeah, why don't we make a
Santhali version
Santhali
of it.
version, an official one, or the
Yeah.
professional one, or
Yeah.
the better one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we started working on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and her father,
He translated the song.
I translated the
One
song
night
in
mein.
one night, and after that we started working on it. And yeah, it took 4 years to complete that song,
It
right?
took more than 4 years, probably almost 5 years.
Almost
We
5 years.
started in 2017.
2017.
2017.
18, 19,
We
20,
released
21,
it in
22, 23. No, we released
23. Yeah, last
23,
year.
na?
Yeah. Okay.
It was
No.
16. Then?
We didn't start Lakeman back in 2017. I went to hostel and I came back for vacations.
Yeah,
So probably it was 2018.
18,
2018, and then we released it in 2013.
33.
Okay, yeah,
years.
sorry, 2023.
Yeah, then it was 5 years.
Yeah. And now we have one more song coming up. It's called Isor. What is it? Hey, Isor
Hey,
Theme.
Sortin.
My god, sorry guys, it's
The
drizzling.
translated version of
So good.
Aza Gana Waza.
Aragana. It's a
Okay.
Tamil song, but it's such a beautiful song. And I think it'll be released by the time you guys see this podcast.
What is the song is all about?
It's about God's love. It's about how when no one was there with me, God, how He came and rescued me, how He lifted me up, even though I was unworthy of His love. It's all about God's love, how He worked in my life, in my deepest times. It's such a beautiful song. If you know Santhali, you'll love it. Adi Moj Siring Kana.
By the way, you can check out her old song.
No, don't check out my old
yes,
song.
yes. That is
No.
that is so good. That is so good, and
No.
you can check out.
No,
Yeah,
no.
they should know our musical
No,
journey,
guys,
that how
don't,
we have
please.
started.
ऐसा गलती मत करिए.
I'll put the
No,
link in the description.
no,
Okay.
please.
No, the good ones. I'll put the good ones link in the
Which
description.
good ones? I don't like any
One of
of
the
it.
previous one, Lekman Aman.
Okay, Lekman Aman.
Lekman Aman Yitum, and the
It's
mashup one.
and the mashup. Yeah, the mashup.
अब वैसे मेरा और एक गाना आ रहा है, that is Raska
Raska
Mone.
Mone. It's such a
Somber Moon.
beautiful song. I've been waiting for them to release this song. I've been waiting for like 2-3 years now for that. I hope you guys enjoy it. Link in the description. Or probably not in the description. It'll come after the podcast.
Yeah.
Wait for it, guys. It's such a beautiful song.
Aima sarhaw alaya podcast niya lagi.
Yeah.
Aima sarhaw imadi kanin Catherine nonda hai lagi. Adi mo jikaw din. Aron ko adi mo ko ikaw kita.
In her,
Amo
I
adi
must
mo.
have in Nande Agu Kidnya as a first guest. And whenever I record a Santhali song, I make sure I understand every single lyrics. I make sure I get the pronunciation correct. So please don't hate me. I love Santhali. I love Santhal people. And in fact, I'm going to come back to Santhal Pragna in future.
and she gonna do counseling here.
We'll see about
She will
that.
do therapy of Santal people.
I don't know
She will
what you're
counsel
talking
Santal
about.
people, Santali children. Read my mind.
Bruh, come on.
See, read my mind. What am I thinking right now?
That's not.
Can you read?
That's not what psychology is all about. Okay,
Oh,
guys. I'm
Johar.
Asara.
I'm the
Johar.
Johar.
Johar. Sorry,
Johar.
cut. Johar. Thank you for calling me. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yes, Santal Pargana.